Nomad Esim honest review. Watch before using. Traveling internationally can be complicated, and most people get this wrong. They deal with expensive roaming charges or buy multiple SIM cards. Nomad eSIM provides a digital SIM solution, letting you activate mobile plans without physical cards. The surprising truth is how convenient it is for frequent travelers. You won't believe how easily you can stay connected around the world. Here's how it works. After purchasing a data plan, you scan a QR code to install the eSIM on your phone. You can switch between plans or top up data without visiting a store. For example, a traveler in Europe can have a local plan in France, then quickly switch to Italy without changing SIM cards. Nomad supports multiple devices and provides coverage in over 100 countries. Most people get this wrong. They think eSIM setup is complicated, but the process is straightforward and managed entirely via the app. Another advantage is cost savings. International roaming charges are avoided, and you can compare plans for the best value before activating. However, there are considerations. Not all phones support eSIM, so device compatibility should be checked. Most people assume unlimited coverage everywhere. Data caps may apply depending on the plan. In conclusion, Nomad eSIM is a practical, flexible solution for global travelers. It offers convenience, cost savings, and the ability to stay connected without juggling multiple SIM cards. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of travel tech and mobile connectivity solutions.